welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can calculate discount or GST with the help of cell reference. I have already told you in my previous video, but in this video I'm going to tell you it and explain more or in detail more. So let's begin. As you can see, I have already prepared a table here. Now we are going to calculate the discount with the help of if formula. So for this, just write equal to my if and then press tab, select category and then write equal to me. And then you have to select the category from the table which I have prepared in the right hand side. So you have to follow the table, and if we are going to select anything from this table, you have to freeze it. As I have selected electronic from this table, I am going to freeze it. So for freezing, press F4, or if you are doing it by laptop, just press dollar sign both of the sides. And then if you are going to select the category, put comma, and then you have to select the sales and you have to multiply it by discount, which is 10%. You have to select discount from this table and you have to freeze it because we are selecting discount from the table. So if we are going to select anything from the table, we have to freeze it. In this way, our one condition is completed. So you have done the one condition, you just have to put comma again and then use the second condition. Write if again, press tab, select category and then write equal to me, select food, you have to freeze it. And now as you can see, like if the category is electronic, then the discount is 10%. If the category is food, and then the discount is 20%. We were just going to use that table as a cell reference. So I have selected the discount. I am freezing it again. In this way, two conditions have fulfilled. Put comma again and write if. Select the category. Put equal to me and then select clothes from the category and you have to freeze it, put comma again and then select sales, multiply it by discount, which is 7.5%, and you have to freeze it because we are selecting from the table. In this way our third condition is also fulfilled. Now for fourth condition, again put comma, if tab, select category and then write equal to me and then select software and freeze it. After freezing, write comma and then select sales and multiply it by 25. And you have to freeze again because we are selecting it from the table. And now you are going to press enter. So by this way you got your discount. Like as you can see, like electronic discount is 10%. So 3600 discount of 10% is 3600. 3600. So we have calculated the discount with the help of cell reference. Now I am going to tell you like why we used too much longer formula. Like I am changing the discount from the table which I have prepared. Like I am changing the discount of food. Now as you can see, if I am going to change the discount from this table, it will automatically change. We don't need to change it from the formula and don't need to do again the same process. We just have to change from the table and it will automatically change. It is very helpful in bigger companies where more products were used and we have to give discount at time by time and we have to change it. So it is very helpful. It will automatically change. We don't need to do too much hard work for changing it. We just have to change it one number and the whole cell will automatically change. So it is the benefit of using cell reference. I hope it will helpful for you. Now we were going to calculate net sales. So we just have to subtract sales from discount. Write equal to me, select sales and put minus sign and then select discount. Enter. Now you can drag it or you can double tap on the cursor. So it will get. Now we were going to calculate the GST by the same process which we have used in calculating discount. So just write equal to me, press F, write if, select tab and then select category again and then freeze it. Keep in your mind, like for freezing you have to freeze it all time. Don't like think I have to freeze only category. No, you have to freeze all the things. So I have selected the net sale here and we are giving a 18% discount on the net sale. So for this, select net sale, multiply it by GST and freeze it. One condition is completed. So again for the second condition, repeat the step, put comma, write if, select category and then write equal to me and then freeze it. And again you have to select the put comma, select the net sale and multiply it by GST. It means multiply it by 5%. And then our second condition is also fulfilled. Now again put comma, write if, and again select the category and select the category, write equal to me, and then select clothes from the category column and freeze it. Then put comma and select net sale, multiply it by GST and freeze it. Our third condition is also fulfilled. Now again write comma if, select tab, select category, put equal to me, select the software and freeze it. And after that select net sale, multiply it by GST and then press enter. As you can see, now we have calculated the GST. So now I am going to change some values in the GST column, so it will automatically change in the table. Like I am changing the GST of food by 10%. So as you can see, this is automatically changed. We don't need to change it from the formula. This is the very easy process to changing your any points or any price, any GST. You can use it anywhere. Now for calculating invoice, you just have to add net sale and GST. Write equal to, select net sale and GST, add it and subtract the discount. Now you got your invoice. Now we were going to calculate the rounded value. I am going to tell you later what is rounded value. First I am going to tell you how you can calculate it. For calculating, just write equal to me and then write m round. Press tab and then you have to select the invoice, press comma and then write 10. We were going to round it in the value of 10. Now as you can see, like the first value is 34632, but it is 34630. So we have rounded it in the value of 10. Like in this 76, so it will 80. It's 76, it will 80. So it will easy our calculation. We don't need to like calculate in the numbers. So the rounded value will easy our calculation. It's very helpful. I am going to tell more about rounded value in my other videos. In this video I have just tell you in short. So for calculating variance, you have to subtract rounded value from invoice and then press enter. Now you have to add all the variance in a column, and then at last you got like how much profit you earned or how much in loss you are. You got to know by this. That's it for today's video. In this video just I want to tell you more about cell reference, and I have told you about rounded value and variance. So if you like this video, do like, comment and share. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section. I will resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.